Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to check Mint mobile call history. Now first, you need to log in to your Mint mobile account. So you can open up your browser, go to mintmobile.com, go and tap on login at the top, enter your Mint mobile number and password or your verification code as well. And then, once you're logged in, okay, tap on account or usage from the dashboard, then select call history to view details. And you'll actually see incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, including dates, times, and durations. And if you need to search a specific time range, use the filter options to select a range. Then, of course, some versions they let you download a PDF of your usage for your records as well. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. And a bonus tip, if you cannot find this option online, you can always contact Mint Mobile Support through the app or website to request a full call detail report. They'll send it via email. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.